Look at this beautiful church, you guys. Amazing. I actually haven't seen any Buddhist temples in this town, so maybe it's a Christian town. Wow, look at the stained glass. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. Taking a picture. Wonder how long it'll take for them to take a picture. This stained glass is incredible. I haven't seen this in a long time. On the way to Bao Loc Waterfall right now. It's kind of up near Dalat, and the scenery is just top notch. It's mountains all around, and buses flying. God, it's so beautiful. It's kind of crazy. The weather here is 20 degrees in the morning, and I wake up at like 5 or 6, and I see people out with mittens and scarves, and I'm like, what the heck, am I in Vietnam? But then by like 10 or 11, you know, when most people get up or whatever, it's like 25, 26, which makes like a huge difference. So it's nice right now. I waited a little while. It's like 11 now. To go to the waterfall because I just could not get the motivation. I was so cold. I was laying in bed under the blankets, and then the sun finally came out, soaked up the sun for a bit. So almost there. It's like 30 minutes from Bao Loc, and I'm passing by all these durian, avocado, jackfruit farms, and none of them are open. There's not a fruit to be found, not a durian, not an avocado. I did find a lot of jackfruit. But like, yeah, on the property that I'm staying, the hotel, there was a durian tree, but there was a very small durian on it, so I think I'm too early still. And it might be because of the tent holiday, like I might be able to find some in a couple days when the markets open back up, because they closed down for like 3 or 4 days during Lunar New Year. So anyways, almost at the waterfall. Really excited. The pictures look amazing, so stay tuned. Here we are at the very popular Bao Loc Waterfall. Bao Loc. Not to be confused with bubble tea. But got a little clementine tree here. Got a cute child. Oh, there are so many people here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bao Loc. Oh gosh. There are so many people. Oh, all right. So it's about $3.50, 90,000 Vietnamese dong for the entrance fee, and then you can pay an extra dollar, 25,000 Vietnamese dong, if you want a ride down to the waterfall in a like electric car or something, which is like 600 meters walk. I'm like, I'm just gonna walk. Pretty beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh wow, there's the waterfall. Yeah, I mean, it's right there. Holy crap, that is nice. And you guys can see it from here. Kind of far. Wow, this place is like massive. So let's head down there. It's a nice little stream going down as well. You can chill out there in the shade. Oh, I can already feel the mist. Good Lord. That is an impressive waterfall. Probably one of the best I've seen in Asia. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, I don't think it's really for swimming. God, I'm getting a crazy mist just sitting here. Oh, it feels really good. Wow. Goes the... Oh, there's a couple parrots in there. Oh. Well, at least they put them in a somewhat large cage. Oh, well. Some swans over here. 2 swans, that's all they could get. This is Miss Bobla. The Bobla lady. She guards the waterfall. Yes. Yes. Yeah, bro. Cane juice beside the road here for the energization and the hydration. Yes, energization. That's a word, right? I believe so.
And good morning, Bao Loc. Oh my god, where is Bao Loc? Where is that mountain view? Wow, it is foggy. That mountain fog. Wow, it is cold. Oh my god. Sun's trying to come up over there. Wow.
Found this cute little park after I went to the market this morning. Got some jackfruit for breakfast after a little bit of coconut water, of course, but I've been looking for a park like this. There was none in Moyne, and there's one here. It's very nice, and jackfruit's very good. It's like a nice crunchy / juicy mix. You know? There better be a waterfall down this road. God, look at the scenery, man. This place is astounding. I had to walk this part because it's a very steep dirt road. I didn't trust my bike. But yeah, we're straight up in farmland, but look at this. Beautiful little creek, and the water is actually clean compared to that last waterfall. So this would be a nice place for a dip, and there's no one around. See, this is the thing, like with the non-touristic-y places, you know, you get roads like this, they're super bumpy, but it's worth it because there's no one here. You've got it all to yourself. Just you and the farmers. I saw some farmers go by. There's like some cacao, and I'm not sure what else, but I'm gonna trek up a little bit. Let's see. Here we are. See what we can find. This looks like a good spot. I think I'm gonna dip in right here. This place is beautiful. There's a little doggy over there that's tracking me, but he's just a little guy. I can take him. And hop in right here. Everything is perfect. A dragonfly just landed on me just to confirm that. Oh my god. This place is so fun. This place is like a playground. Of course, people have to litter here. Oh yeah, let's go over there. Ah, there it is. Ooh, that spot looks nice. Let's see how to get over there. Oh man, it was wonderful. Definitely gonna bookmark this spot. Here we are. I'm having so much fun. Stay here all day. Man, this place is so perfect. There's like parts in the water where I could just sit and like meditate while being underwater, listening to the waterfall. There's this rock that's like perfect for laying down and like sun tanning. I could get nude here, like there's no one around. Oh, there's a farmer actually, just driving by right when I say that. Man, this place is amazing. I might come back here later today. This is probably my last day in Bao Loc. Probably head back to Baria, to Vung Tau tomorrow. Yeah, I'm really glad I found this place. This is absolutely amazing. I don't have to pay anything. It's like there's like a rock playground. I could just run around and like play like a child. Anyways, see you guys a bit later. Here it is. It's my last dinner in Bao Loc for a while. Butter lettuce. I've just been getting a lot of veggies because that's what's quality here. Like if you live in the subtropics and you're not eating local veggies, like what are you doing? You gotta go for quality. These baby romaines are freaking epic. So much flavor, like I had no idea. I got bok choy, I love that. But butter lettuce, top favorite. Got some really nice jelly coconuts. Oh my gosh. These epic tomatoes. I just ate one of these. These are the best tomatoes I've ever had. So good. And look at these cucumbers. Look at how dark. This is how you know the mineral content's high, is when your fruits have dark, rich pigment. And some cilantro and some lime. A little bit of chili maybe, and nibble on that. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so in love with Bao Loc and the produce availability here. It's just absolutely incredible. Had a few mangoes earlier, just a little snack after the swim. And yeah, I'm just so stoked. That's going to be it for today's video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more. Let me know what you think of my new shirt. I absolutely love it. Yeah. See you guys back in Vung Tau. Maybe a different city. We'll see. Peace and love.